Namaste, my dear friends, and welcome back to my channel. First and foremost, I sincerely apologize for the delay in sharing the second part of the Kashmir vlog. I appreciate your understanding and patience. Now you can join me in exploring the next chapter of this breathtaking adventure. Thank you. Before going to the video, if you are not subscribed the channel yet, please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon, and you can share your valuable thoughts in the comment section. Thank you. Hello everyone, this is the second day of my Kashmir trip, Dal Lake to Doodhpathri. Here we are going to discover the enchanting beauty of Doodhpathri. Doodhpathri is a pristine meadow in Kashmir. On a day trip from iconic Dal Lake, experience breathtaking landscapes and local flavors and traditional Kashmiri hospitality. Started the day with a delightful breakfast on the houseboat at Dal Lake, enjoying traditional Kashmiri dishes while soaking in the serene surroundings. The journey was a comfortable ride from Dal Lake to Doodhpathri. It offers glimpses of Kashmir's natural beauty. Although it's not apple season, but we had a chance to visit a local shop that specializes in a variety of products such as jams, pickles and fresh juices. They also offer online sales, and fresh herb juice we tried was incredibly refreshing. On the way, we had lunch from a local restaurant. We enjoyed the flavorful lunch with a mix of traditional and personal favorite. I chose aloo paratha and paneer ki curry, makki ki roti and sarson ka saag, while some people ordered waswan, which is a traditional feast including dishes like rogan josh and gustava. And finally, it's Doodhpathri. Taking the expansive meadows filled with sheep herd and milky white river. This is the highlight of Doodhpathri. I really enjoyed the horseback ride through winding roads and hilly terrain, leading to the river fed by glaciers. This guy is very interesting, although I've forgotten his name. He is educated and aspired to work with Kashmir police. Additionally, he has a keen interest in acting and modeling. I sang numerous songs throughout the ride. It makes me feel comfortable and help me forget the fear of ride. On the way back, we tried some namkeen tea, which is salty, a pinkish kind of tea, and Kashmiri kahwa. It's a fragrant tea with the spices and nuts. On the way back to Srinagar, we indulged in some local shopping, pick up local snacks like pistachio ice creams, walnut burfi, which were delicious and perfect treat after a busy day. This day trip from Dal Lake to Doodhpathri provides a perfect blend of natural beauty and local culture and traditional Kashmiri flavors. From the tranquil meadows and exhilarating horse rides to the delightful local snacks and comforting hotel stay, Doodhpathri is a memorable destination for a traveler. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.